because I'm curious about, the economies of scale and combining to do certain things is awesome, but how does that change the supply chain ecosystem?
Yeah, it sort of links into governance here. So that would be where we would first start. So if you're creating a shared resource of some kind, then the only ones that we've seen that are successful are ones where the design of the governance of that shared facility is really effective. And what I mean by that is, well, firstly, what I mean by governance is, how is that service actually controlled? Who has control and influence over that? And so in an ideal world, if that was, say, half a dozen organizations coming together and they were going to set up that shared service facility, then each one would perhaps be part of a board that sits across the top of that. And there would be predefined performance criteria around what they're monitoring. There would be defined rules around how that organisation is going to work. And they'd all be defined up front prior to the establishment of that organisation. So, and part of that would then be, what are the responsibilities? How's it going to be funded? How's it going to be kept accountable to performance? And then, it's performance monitored and so forth, and what's going to be done in the event that it's not working well. So it needs to be sort of treated as a separate supplier, effectively, but one where the owners have some control over performance, and that's kind of how you do it. Where we see those shared models not work very well is in some cases in government they're imposed on organisations. So you might have a shared service get set up by one arm of government, and then a whole bunch of other government entities get told you've got to use that, and you don't have any say in how well that's going. You're just mandated. That never works out well.